Thank you, Dr. Cheap. My favorite art critic over there. Oh, so you want to have another tongue come out like that? We can do that. Should we make it dotty or with lines? What do you suggest? Dotty? Lines? Solid color? It's almost like a worm. Well, if it's a worm, it should have an eye. How's that? 2 eyes? You got it. Fangs? Sure, why not? Vampire tongue. Yeah, why not? So we have, how many tongues do we have? We'll do English, Polish, Spanish, and French. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jeden, dwa, trzy, cztery, pięć, sześć. Goes back to my summer studies in Poland in 84 and 85. Okay, junior high school French. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's see, Summers working in Puerto Rico, 1966-67, packing cartons. 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. All right, it's coming along. I wonder if this one should have an eye. Why not? Maybe it should have a tongue. A tongue with a tongue. Like a fang. Okay, if that can have a fang, this one can have a fang. 2 fangs. Why not? Okay, there we have it for now. It's Wednesday, April 2nd, I believe, 2025. Karen Hunt of blessed memory, murdered at age 20. Whew.